How to change language settings in Apple Translate on iPhone running iOS 26. First, open the Translate app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, you'll see the current languages selected for translation. Scroll down, tap on the language displayed on the up and down to choose the language you want to translate from. Next, tap three dot. There is Show Grammatical Gender and Languages. Select languages to download different language. Then, tap the language on the right side of the screen to choose the language you want to translate into. If you translate between the same languages frequently, the Translate app will remember your recent selections, making future translations even faster. You can also tap the Swap Languages button to quickly reverse the translation direction without manually selecting each language again. If you plan to translate without an internet connection, you can download languages for offline use by tapping a language and selecting the download option if available. And that's how to change language settings in Apple Translate on iPhone running iOS 26. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe the channel, and share with your